ang cute, di ba? Parang mukhang aso. Di ba? Cutie, Navigator Sports.
Okay, fine. Okay. Hey guys, it's your girl Jen here, and we are at the Navigator Sports HQ! Woo! Guys, we are cooking up a new series for all you fitness enthusiasts out there. And for those of you who want to start your fitness journey as well.
Start your fitness journey today.
Hey guys, my name is Diane, and we are actually going to be dropping our first ever episode tomorrow!
Tomorrow,
guys,
7 p.m., 7 a.m.
August 10, 7 p.m.
7 a.m.
Where we're going to get down to the nitty-gritty about these gym equipment and workout essentials. And we're going to be inviting some special guests here at our
Special
HQ.
guests.
But before we
Navigator
get
Sports.
into that, I
Navigator
thought,
Sports.
why not do a little bit of a get to know each other on this special episode? We're going to be talking about who we are and maybe why we're so passionate about talking about health and fitness.
Well, but before that, let's get a quick background for Navigator Sports. Navigator Sports is actually been around for around 30 years, and it's one of the leading brands in gym equipment. You can actually find them in your local gyms and your local malls too.
That's
So
right.
go check us out.
Go check us out, you guys. I know. Okay, so we have here. We have here our jar. There's actually questions inside. Like we mentioned, this is a special episode. It's
Navigator Sports
get to
jar.
know us episode. It's a get to know
Get
us
yours today.
episode. Okay, so we have this jar right here, and there's gonna be questions inside about fitness, about something personal that we're going to share with you guys. Ano guys, ready na ba kayo ma-expose yourselves? Oh, what are these questions, Ganabi? Okay, so how are we gonna do this, Gio?
Bubunutin ko na lang, tapos aabot ko sa'yo. After that, ikaw na mag-read.
Okay, fine. So should I answer first or?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So, first question.
Pinakabahan ako, guys.
Okay, yun.
Parang nakuha ako. Okay. This is a good question though. What ridiculous thing has someone tricked you into doing or believing? What ridiculous thing has someone tricked you into doing or believing? Fitness-wise, since we're Hello Navigator Sports, yes, fitness-wise. Okay. I'd have to say weight loss pills. Diba? But I mean, no hate, guys, for those who use weight loss pills or anything. But it didn't work on me personally, so I feel like I relate to that. Like yung weight loss pills. I don't think it worked on me. At the time, because I was really like desperate to lose weight.
Yeah,
so, sige,
sabagay.
Diba? Parang sige, try ko
Oo
na
nga
lang
naman.
din. Pero, didn't work on me. How about you, Gio?
Well, check out the question again. Huh? What ridiculous thing has someone tricked you into doing or believing?
Yeah.
Hashtag challenge of the day, guys. You know that. Every time. These guys right here.
Abangan niyo yan, guys. So that's a konting preview lang na what Gio went through.
Well,
dun sa series namin. So, yeah.
Yeah, so guys,
Watch out for Gio.
alam na nila yan. Malalaman nyo rin next
How
time.
about you, Dayan? Same or what?
I think same lang. Medyo ganun nga talaga sa fitness. Anything that promises quick and easy is usually not true.
Sabagay.
Tama ba ako, guys?
May-
Fitness, guys, it's not a destination. Fitness is a journey.
Exactly.
Kaya, yung journey na yan, medyo matagal. Enjoy the journey, di ba?
That's right, guys.
Next na kasi ang...
Minsan relax ka lang kung gusto mo.
Next question, Gio.
Next question. Actually nga, wait. This question.
I'm nervous.
I'm reading.
Give it to this.
Sige, ikaw na yan.
Share an embarrassing gym moment. Oh my!
I think I want to hear Gio's first.
Uy!
Akala ka naman.
One day, kasama ko kaibigan ko, pumunta kami sa local gym namin sa area namin. Yun, sobrang pump ko mag-gym kasi. Nagtatalon-talon ako yun. Tapos pagkaupo ko, pambahay lang na shorts yung suot ko.
Oh my God.
Meron kaming narinig nga. Okay ka lang ba dyan?
Totoo? Oh my God!
Buti na lang kami, dalawa lang nandun, tsaka yung bantay. So okay lang, at least. kaming dalawa lang, tsaka meron na akong nasa panloob din, so okay lang. Ikaw na! Ikaw na nga!
Me? Oh my God, wait lang. Let me think.
Maisip.
Oh my gosh, wait. Actually, similar thing din. It has something to do with clothing. But no, hindi ako nagkaroon ng ganun embarrassing moment. No. Kasi,
Dapat embarrassing nga daw.
embarrassing to kasi ang daming. Well, sige, after work, I went to the gym. Dito lang sa area, malapit lang. I'm not gonna mention. Okay? Pero yeah, dyan lang yung gym na pinupuntahan ko.
Medyo
I went there.
Medyo 24 hours yung gym na yun, ewan ko lang.
I went there after
Saan
work.
kaya yun?
After work, the gym was packed. Ang daming tao. So, syempre, pasok ako ng door. Syempre, yung mga tao, nakapapatingin. Not saying naman na, hello. Pero, like, ang dami kasing tao talaga. So, mag-change na sana ako ng workout clothes ko. Tapos, pag-open ko ng bag ko, wala yung gym clothes ko. Hindi ko siya dala.
Meron pang isang
Guys,
moment.
I don't have my gym clothes. So, ginawa ko, syempre nakita na ako ng lahat ng tao pumasok sa gym, right? So, lumabas ulit ako ng gym. Tapos nakakahiya kasi parang anong ginawa ko doon? Wala lang, dumaan lang ako, hi, bye. So, nakakahiya kasi ang daming tao talaga.
May naalala akong actually nangyari. Kasama ko si Direk noon, inaya niya ako. Sabi ni Direk sa akin, tara gym tayo saglit. Sa may 24 hours na ano, #censored. Pero 24 hours, kulay. Ayun, inaya ako ni Direk doon, may dala akong shorts. Kaso naka-black shoes ako, papasok dapat kami sa school. Sabi niya, okay lang yan. Diretso ko lang. Kahit wala akong diretso lang ako naka-black shoes. Agara. Albahay talaga si Direk.
Natuloy ka mag-gym.
Oo naman, nakatingin sa ano. Tapos black shoes. Tumatakbo. Sira eh.
Oh my God. How about you, Dayan?
Albahay
What's your
talaga yan si
question?
Wala akong maalala eh. Paano ba to? Everyday is embarrassing.
Hashtag relatable.
Hashtag
Ngayon.
relatable.
Relatable nga yun.
Hindi naman maganda yung itsura mo nun. Sabi parang,
Sabagay.
diba? Lahat na lang parang sana walang tumingin.
Hashtag relate.
So, diba?
That's relatable nga naman.
Pero, yung push through, wala. Ganun talaga.
Oo nga naman. So,
Next question tayo.
Okay, next.
Next question. Uy, sige, ikaw na, sino ba magsasabi?
Okay, let me. How about you? Sige, ikaw naman.
Alright, so the next question is, which food was the hardest to give up or lessen?
Oh, that's a good one. Oh my God. Ikaw.
Actually, ako, nagpapataba kasi ako eh. Kasi yung fitness journey ko nagsimula back when I was starting in college. Sobrang payat ko dati. Kasi ayoko kumain ng sobrang mapili ko sa pagkain. Like, ayoko ng super oily masyado. Minsan, ayoko naman ng gulay. Ayoko ng ganon. Hirap kumain. After that, I had to train myself to eat a lot more and eat all kinds of food. So, medyo hindi ko relatable sa...
Well, actually, yeah, diba?
Sa inyo ba?
It makes sense naman kasi diba for guys, you usually build
Yeah.
more muscle, so you need protein. So, ano tawag doon? You
Build
take,
nga,
you take in a lot of calories, diba? So, well, yeah, I get it. Alright, so ako, ano nga yung question mo? Which
Uy, yung nga pala.
food?
Which food
Which
was the
food was the hardest
to
to give up or lessen? Oh my gosh. I feel like makaka-relate most of you guys here. Rice.
Rice.
Can't have a day without rice nga
Rice,
actually.
di ba? Lalo na tayo, di ba, mga Pinoy.
Classic Filipino.
Kailangan may rice sa lahat ng, oh my God, ang hirap i-give up.
Kahit
ng
nga rice nga lang, wala nang ulam.
Basta rice.
Rice lang, pero
sobrang nahirapan ako i-give
Lagyan mo
up
ng
yung
magic
rice.
syrup yung rice mo.
Yeah, but eventually I had to gradually give it up. Kasi
Yikes.
yun talaga yung culprit sa, ano eh.
Oo
Sa
nga,
weight
carbs
loss
talaga
journey
eh.
Yeah,
Carbs.
carbs. I had to give that up. I'm sorry, rice. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, rice.
Hashtag
How about you,
Chinese.
Dayan? How about you, Dayan?
Well, guys, kung Cajun rice, sa akin, alam ko makarelate din kayo. Sa akin, sweets.
Well, ako, no.
Sa akin, sweets.
Actually,
alam ko marami
hindi rin
dyan,
ako sweet tooth
dessert
eh. Sakto lang,
lovers.
sakto
Ay,
lang.
naku, huwag na yung pakinggan sila, guys. Diba mahilig tayo sa cake, sa cheese, cheesecake na flan. Ano ba naman to? Wala kayong panlasa. Gusto lang na
Wow,
yung
ha?
savory.
Coming from you,
Ay,
ha?
yung dessert. Ano pa, guys? Mahilig kasi ako mag-bake.
Bake ba?
Oh my gosh.
Pagdala ka naman dito sa Navigator Sports, yung
You have
sasabi
to
sa'yo.
bring some of
Ako,
your
wala
Ayun,
na
sinasabi ko.
here at the HQ.
Diba? Oy,
Teka lang.
seryoso
Yung
to.
make-up up ko. Wala na, sa inyo na.
Seryoso to ha.
So, ayun nga guys. Pero
Ayan,
I
nakatingin sa'yo si
compensated by
Direk.
having like one bite of chocolate. And then maybe, portion control.
Yeah, actually,
Magic word,
control lang naman.
Portion control.
Yeah, you don't actually have to totally give it up naman.
Or lesson lang naman.
Lesson
eh.
lang naman.
Yeah.
Yun. So, lesson, control, ganyan.
Oh,
Pero
pretty okay.
yun nga,
Pretty
can't relate because hindi naman ako mahilig sa sweets.
Sakto lang din, oo. Let's
Okay,
find
so
out.
next.
Next question from
Bakit lagi akong kinakabahan
Navigators.
sa next question?
Ay, ikaw naman magbasa.
Oh, this is good. Oh, what's your go-to workout song? What's your go-to workout song, Gio?
Ikaw naman, ako na nagsimula kanina. Ang gara mo, lagi na lang Gio.
Guys, nag-iisip pa siya ng isasagot niya sa question.
Kasi
Oh,
talaga.
wala na itong kantahin eh. No?
Ikaw naman.
Note lang na these questions are actually random. Si Direk nagpili ng questions, so hindi namin alam yung mga
Ay, naku,
lalabas
Direk.
na questions dito. Direk,
Classic
ano ba
Direk.
to?
Sample!
Direk, ikaw, pag tinanong kita ng ganyan, Direk ha, pag tinanong kita, wala kang sagot. Wala akong magagawa rin naman. Kaya tuloy na natin.
What's your go-to workout song? Ako kasi, I just listen to anything na yung depende sa mood.
Oo.
Like yung mapapump up ka talaga. Actually, guys, I have, wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Iba-iba yung...
Wow, pakita.
Meron pa siyang, sample!
Guys, prepare the
Prepare!
Ayan. Actually, guys, yung mga playlist ko dito, yan. Actually, I have, TikTok song na, guys,
TikTok songs lang pala. Wala lang pala. Umuwi ka na nga, doon ka na mag-workout. Ang gara mo. Umuwi ka na nga.
Oy, nanonood lang naman ako ng mga TikTok movies.
Sa akin nakikinig, hindi
Videos.
nanonood daw ah.
Hindi, ayan. So, I
Ang gara mo
have
talaga
a
eh.
playlist. So, lahat ng mga TikTok songs nandyan. Ayan. So, sometimes yun yung pinapakinggan ko just to hype me up. Meron din ako yung mga early 2000s na songs, na playlist. So, yung mga ganun, typical. Meron din ako 80s na playlist. So, depende talaga sa mood ko yung mga...
Pang-hype talaga.
Oo, wala akong like one particular song that I listen to when I work out. Pero, yeah. I listen to a lot of, stuff.
Yeah.
How about you guys? Ikaw?
Ako?
Or si Dayan?
Dayan muna.
Dayan.
Dahil naman
share
muna.
talaga yung song.
Hinahanda ko sa yung song ko eh. Favorite ko yun.
I had this one experience actually na may day na ayaw ko mag-workout. Pero I just played a song, like
Which
upbeat
one?
Oo nga
song.
naman.
Which
Bigyan
song?
ka- It's actually Please Don't Stop the Music.
Ay, oh my God, I love that song.
Please don't stop. Ay, oh.
Actually, yeah.
Oo nga naman. Sakto
Parang
lang.
wala ako sa mood, pero parang narinig yun, parang...
Na-pump ka ba? Yeah, actually.
Bawal na, iba. Random lang here. Alam niyo na yung song.
Math dance.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Di ba na?
Start na tayo ng workout video dito.
Okay, ito na.
Wait lang, ikaw. What's your
Siyempre, my go-to songs.
workout song?
First, I get myself ready, get hype. Spot me, suot ko na yung headset ko, ready to play my favorite song. Jumbo. Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Jumbo.
Ay na, I'm getting this from you. Okay, Gio, that's
Next
enough.
question na
That is
tayo.
enough, Gio, for a time.
Next question.
Okay, stop na, guys. You're welcome, by the way.
Ikaw naman magbasa. Salit-salit.
What's that?
What's your fitness motto?
That's
Wow,
good.
motto pa tayo.
That's good. Okay, you answer first.
Sabi ko nga, ang motto ko na sabihin ko nila is, we stay fit so that we can eat!
Better fitness choice. Just
Diba,
remember
guys?
guys, better fitness choice
Isipan
niya.
niyo yun. Get that in your head.
That actually makes sense.
Yes.
Diba?
How about
Actually.
you?
Actually sa akin, if you can't do it today, just do it tomorrow. Pero hindi. Seriously.
Don't listen to Gio.
Siyempre. Kung di mo kaya ngayon di ba next time na lang? Pwede naman Pero joke lang. Actually, 1 hour can go for... 1 hour can go so far. Just 1 hour of working out can burn you a lot of calories. Or you could just bodybuild in just 1 hour. That's lang naman the minimum You can get everything done by that time. All the things you need. Just have to start. And it's just at least 1 hour.
May sense naman pala talaga. May sense naman pala si Gio.
Saglit lang yun, di ba? Sub sa'yo
May times talaga na hinihit siya ng reality.
Look at this.
Oh, tama na. Tapos na. Okay na. They don't wanna see that. No. Ako,
Yung
fitness
iyo.
motto. Well, I always say this to my friends. So guys, my friends, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I'm going to embarrass you guys
Kaya yan.
also. Because I always tell my friends when I work out or when we work out together, I always tell them na pag nagko-complain na kami na sakit na ganyan, I always tell them, if it hurts, it works.
Wow, tama ba yun?
Boom! Guys. Ko, 2020 copyright. Okay, if it hurts, it works.
Wow! Wow!
Gio! Okay, hear me out. Kasi, when we work out, pag yung muscles natin
Sige nga.
masakit na, when we feel
Ay, tama nga naman.
Di ba
ha?
parang, di ba,
Sige, pagbibigyan kita.
Yeah, usually we want to stop. Pero that's the time that you have to work out more. Like, you have to, kasi dun siya nag-work, dun siya
When it hurts, it works. It rhymes and it's ready for better fitness
If it
choice.
hurts, it works,
If it
guys.
hurts, it works.
Life
Okay, no
motto,
game.
okay? Pero on a more serious note, I always tell myself na if you have, maybe it will apply to you guys, and if you have discipline,
Number one,
drive,
discipline.
determination, guys, nothing is impossible. Tandaan niyo yan. Okay?
That's the truth.
Huwag kayo iiyak, guys! Guys, don't cry. Oh, next question, Gio!
Nagluluwat nga yung balat ko eh. Nagluluwat na yung balat ko. Next question.
Alright, next.
The next question is weirdest food combination.
Oh, I love
Ako,
this
pagkain na
question.
naman.
Weirdest food combination. Ako, Gio, ikaw naman.
Hindi, sige, ikaw muna. Nag-iisip pa ako ng ako.
Guys, hindi siya prepared. Pare-pareho lang naman natin hindi alam yung question, pero hello, Gio, keep up.
Sorry. Wait lang, food.
Weirdest food combo. Should I go first or
Yeah,
no?
you should go first nga.
Okay, I should go first. Okay. Weirdest food combo. I feel like a lot of people do this naman. There's still some people who find it weird or unusual. I dip fries, particularly, I don't want to say, kasi hello, di man tayo sponsored.
Sponsor. Ano namin sa summer fries.
I dip french fries in ice cream. Tas,
Ay, masarap yun!
yeah.
Yay, weirdo.
I see some people
What a
like it,
freako.
some people don't, so...
Sweet and salty,
Ew.
di ba?
Don't judge me, you guys. I dip fries in ice cream, and I like it. How about you?
Weird, wala namang weird.
Let's go. Back to you, Dan. Dan. Wait lang. Anong food?
Well, ito anong weird
Hindi ko
food
alam.
combos?
Weird
Yeah.
food combos. That's a good question. I
Anong
like
secret menu?
Parang normal lang naman yung combos ko.
Weird combos.
But I like,
Panty
but there's
punch.
something I like kimchi a lot.
Kimchi.
I'm not Korean. and-
Kimchi with anything.
Yeah, with anything. I have to say
Yikes.
that with
Hindi
anything.
ako kumakain ng kimchi.
Anything you can do to spice up a food. Kunwari, plain lang yun. Ay, lagay ka ng kimchi dyan, parang,
Try nyo kaya.
Kimchi? Parang,
Yung, gusto ko yung, gusto ko yung tumahimik lang kami lang.
Kimchi?
Yun.
Hala.
Kasi parang weird.
Hindi ako Korean, hindi ko
Di lang
gets.
yung pang samgyupsal ang kimchi, guys.
Well, okay, kayo to each its own. Okay, so.
Bagay. Kasi ako meron akong patak ng dugo eh. So I can't go anywhere without my MSG. Kailangan ko talagang may MSG na baon
You
eh.
just carry
Yung magic
MSG in your
sarap.
bag all the time.
Yeah. Can't be without MSG, you know? Kailangan. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun?
Yung type.
Oh my gosh.
Cannot
guys.
have
Anyway,
anything.
Gio.
Egg fried rice, MSG. Just put it there. Sprinkle
Next
lang.
question na tayo.
Going back
Sarap.
to our
Nag-carried
question.
away na po siya.
I know
What's
you
the
love your
next
MSG, but
Yes, you know I love the MSG,
oh, this is
girl.
good. This is a good question.
It's a question. Give it to us.
Okay, this is a. Do you play any sports?
Hala? Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. Leave a comment down below ano sports
Guys,
nyo.
do you play any sports?
Answer this
Sige,
question for
ngayon,
us.
kayo, during pandemic, anong sports niyo?
Sabi sa'yo eh. Di ba? Wala nga doon. That's
But like before, like
you like, oh.
before
Oh,
the
sige nga.
pandemic, what's your? Do you play any sports? Ako yung nag-interview. Do you play any sports?
Kasi ano eh. Dati nung elementary ako, naglalaro ako ng volleyball. Pero totoo yun.
Wow,
Minsan,
volleyball.
nung gaaral pa kami ni Direk, tamang inaaya niya ako na naman kung saan-saan. Tamang nagbabadminton kami sa may...
Direk? Ikaw ulit?
Si Direk talaga, kung saan-saan ako sinasakay na. Hindi ko alam bakit. Naglalakad lang ako sa akin.
Gio, you love your job, right? Okay na. Ay!
Please, Direk. Thank you. Thank you. You did it. You saved my family,
Teka,
Direk.
awkward na.
Better fitness choice. I got you.
Ikaw, hilig mo dati.
I don't play any sports. Well, prior to the
Wala.
pandemic, well, hindi ko siya, I don't play it like often or something like that. But I do play a bit of badminton. Like for fun lang naman.
Bagay,
And,
syempre.
and I do boxing.
Boxing. Paano pag nagte-training kayo nun? Nakaganon yung tao sa'yo. Sa
Prior
ulo
to
mo.
pandemic.
Kumaganon. Hindi kita abot.
Guys, pinabuli ako ni Gio. Boycott Gio. Well, yeah, I do boxing training.
Huwag kayo maniwala dyan. Boxing.
Three
Hindi
times
nga abot yung boxing.
Gio, do you want at ano?
Ay, di,
sample?
ayaw pala. Sorry. Babe na lang ako, babe.
Yeah,
na
so
lang.
yeah, I do
Babe.
boxing training before kasama
Yeah,
ng
okay.
circuit training. So that's basically the
Oh,
sport.
you're good training.
So yeah, yun na yun. 3 times a week. So how about you, Diane?
Yun na
sport?
nga yun. Swimming.
Hindi ko pa sinabi.
Swimming. Kausap ko sila kanina, hindi nyo nakita.
Ay, sorry.
Sorry.
Sabi ko, ito na yun.
Dinidistract ako na ito sa boxing eh.
Mahilig ako dyan.
Oh my God. Sige nga, paano ka dito sa Saigo? Ano bang swimming dyan?
Sa water po yun nagaganap. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Game.
Next time na lang.
Good question. Good question, Direct. Thanks.
So guys, kahit wala, hindi kayo makalabas na.
Hashtag Navigator Sports.
Navigator Sports.
Hashtag
Yeah,
Navigator
guys.
Sports.
Read it.
Do you have any secret talents?
We're really out
Oh.
here exposing ourselves again. Do you have
Ikaw naman
any
mauna
secret
niyan.
Ako
talent?
may weird talent sila. Wala akong weird talent.
Hindi ako naniniwala dyan.
Wala akong, secret talents.
Everybody has quirks. I
Lahat
mean,
kasi ng talent ko, wala, pinagyayabang ko lang.
Yabang mo naman sa amin dito yan, Dayan.
Oo
Sige
nga,
nga.
I mean, they don't know that.
Oo nga. Si Direk, di pa niya nakikita yun, no?
Our viewers.
Wala pang hinayabang na talent. Kung ano ba
I'm interested in a vast amount of different
Talaga.
things.
like sample. Like, show us one.
Let's say,
At least one. Give us one.
let's say, I decide this! Oh, di ba? Bakit? Pangit ba?
Secret
Hindi, mag-
talent.
Actually-
Calligraphy.
Wala ako, calligraphy yan. Nahilig ako dyan, guys. Ano ko yan, pinapractice ko yan. Grabe siya!
Kung ako yung prof.
practice, di ba naman siya perfect. You know, kayo baka may secret talents kayo. Wala
Sige
kasi
na
hindi
muna.
ako marunong sa dila. Hindi ko alam yung mata, hindi nga ako marunong pumito, guys. Ay, oh my gosh, ako
Di kayo marunong pumito. Paano kayo naging tao?
Oh, yeah, para sa inyo.
Navigator.
Show off.
Show off. Yabang. Direct, meron pa tayong duct tape
Pili
dyan.
ko si Jen magaling.
Wala
Wala
na
yung
special
special
duct tape yung
talent.
bibig ni Gio.
Sige nga, ano talent mo, Jen, ha?
Talent.
Ano secret talent mo, ha? Sige nga.
Secret. Well, it's not really secret kasi
Yan,
most of the people, most of the people close to me naman, they know. Pero they find it weird pa rin. So,
Ano ba yun?
Okay. I'm
Yan.
gonna need Gio's help. Gio, hawakan mo to. Yan.
Sige.
Okay, I'm gonna, guys, don't,
Ayan na.
this is gonna make or break my career.
Ano?
Make or break?
Wala na.
Make or break.
Basta wag lang kami.
Guys, kasi I have flexible fingers.
Ay, ayoko niyan. Sige, skip na tayo sa kanya, guys. Ayoko yung talent niya.
I'll to show
Ayoko yung
them.
talent niya.
Show them,
No, I'm gonna show them, guys. I don't know, close up nyo na lang, guys.
Hindi ka naman naririnig ng mic yung kamay mo eh.
No, they're gonna see, Gio. They're gonna see my hand, okay? Show Gio's reaction na lang.
Ayoko na, hindi ka titignan yan.
No,
Ayoko ng mga ganyan. Ayoko ng mga
I'm
weird.
not gonna break my hand, Gio. Just
Ah, baka
watch.
mamaya magtawag tayo ng navigator doctor niya.
Curious na ako.
Shh, Gio, let me focus.
Ay, wow, meron ganun.
No, kasi, look. Di ba, ikaw, sige, try to fold your fingers. Ikaw muna.
Oh, sige.
Right.
Paano fold?
Like,
Yeah,
like break your knuckles. Like, try.
Break
Ayan,
my
diba,
knuckles.
guys, you can see, hindi siya like, no, here. Hindi siya, no, here, like that.
Ah.
Hindi siya na,
Like ganyan?
gaganon. So, like,
Like a
okay.
closed fist lang?
Like, okay, watch mine. Like,
Uy, ayoko tignan yan.
guys, it's like super flat.
Parang walang bone in between,
Gio, look.
Ayoko.
Gio, look. Ayan, so, yeah. I have flexible.
Uy, wala na.
Yeah,
Lahat tayo
So
dalawa
both
na
sides,
natin.
it goes with both hands.
What kind of
So it's really
talents?
flexible. Gio, look. I'm gonna put my hands together like this.
Oh.
Gio, I need your
sorry.
tip, Mike. I'm gonna put my hands together like this. Tapos I'm gonna put my middle fingers in front of my pointer fingers without opening any of the fingers. It's put together, diba?
Sige.
Ready?
Parang rubber bands.
Ready,
Gawin
ready,
na natin
ready,
guys
ready,
together.
Uy, ang gara. Yeah. Sama na. Sensor yan ha. Sensor yan. Sensor.
Like, okay. Like,
Lagyan siya ng sensor. Not
yeah.
for the blink.
Like, look, like.
Uy. Yeah. Pwede ka ng attraction park sa ano. Attraction sa Star City. Ay, wala na pala. RIP Star
Fingers
City.
are flexible. Tapos ito pa, last one. Like,
Sige.
I feel like,
Daming talents na ito.
close your eyes.
Ayoko nakita ko na agad. Pinakita mo sa akin eh. Tama na. Ayoko na.
I'm gonna
Uy, ang gara.
It doesn't hurt, okay? It's just really flexible. Like,
Ah!
like there. So, yeah.
So sakit.
So, you can try.
Yan, ganyan.
Okay, Gio.
Okay na.
How about you? What's your secret talent?
Secret talent ko?
Expose yourself.
Secret talent ko. Magaling akong impersonator actually.
Guys, talented yata talaga to.
Sobrang
Really?
talented.
Wait, I'm actually interested.
Okay,
Okay.
first.
Kailangan ko ba mag-prepare, mag-internalize for this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, listen very
first-
well.
So first, nakakita ka na, syempre, nakakita na kayo ng fish, no? Pero have you seen fish out of water, ha? Syempre, meron nga sa palengke, makikita mo. Pero alive in the out of water, di ba?
Oh, sige. Do you need to? Okay.
Sige, like this lang.
Bigyan kita ng tubig dyan!
Di ba? Ang galing, di ba? Wow!
I actually prepared myself for that.
Actually, yan yung talent ko nung grade 1 ako. Sumali ako sa Mr. and Miss ng school namin. Nakita pa kayo yung stuff.
No, really. You said impersonations. Like how? Like, ganun ba yung, that was it?
I can do another one, kaso kailangan nakatayo ako eh. So next time na lang. Next time na yung secret talents na yun, tatabas din.
Fine.
So
Guys,
next question.
he's not a good sport. Take note of that.
Next question. Uy, what's this? Yan. Think bagay sa inyo yan.
Bagay, okay. How did you
Mahina
get
yung
into
sa akin dyan eh.
fitness?
Oh! Tagot. Deep.
Yeah. How did you get into fitness?
Kwentuhan mo na kasi dyan.
Story time.
Story time.
Story time! Okay.
Links in the description below for yung episode niya ng story time. Skip na natin yan ngayon. Mahaba yan. Featuring ang generation yan.
Pang MMD pala to, guys.
So,
Anyway,
lahat sila.
how did I get into fitness?
Summary lang.
Summary lang, okay?
Kayo naman,
To
guys,
make
eh.
it short, I was actually overweight.
Parang ikaw, short.
I was actually
Tayo ba?
about a year ago, two years or a year ago, I think I was actually really overweight. I was 58 kilos. For someone my size, like yung height ko, I'm a small girl.
Tayo
so,
pa nga, oh.
Huwag na.
Huwag na! Huwag na!
So yeah, I'm really small. Tapos I weigh 58 kilos, so I'm really overweight. Tapos yun. So that's when it hit me na parang I wanted a healthier lifestyle for myself. So that's when I started
Picture ng
working
before and
out.
after, right
Yeah,
here.
oh yes, okay, sige. I'll share my before and after with
Before
you
and
guys.
after.
Embarrassing. Yeah. Or you can check my Instagram. I mean, I
Andun
post.
na lang maganda.
Yeah, I post my fitness weight loss journey there naman sometimes. But yun nga. Yeah, I was overweight before. And then, I just, ayun lang, parang, one day it hit me, I wanted to be healthier, you know, kasi I was going to the gym naman. I was going to the gym, I was working out, pero I didn't really feel any changes. Parang I got sad din. Parang, nothing's happening. I'm doing my part. I control what I eat, pero nothing's happening. And then,
Boom.
yun. Parang, I got really serious a year ago lang. So that's when my legit fitness journey
Yeah,
started.
nakita ko nga actually yung before and
Yeah,
after.
Gio was like,
It's pretty impressive. Ay, di sobra naman yung ganun. But I was really impressed.
yeah, we
I
were
was really
actually,
impressed.
But yeah, he saw that. Tapos Dayan also saw it, and then yeah.
Yeah.
I also saw Dayan, so Dayan shared it with them.
Share naman Dayan.
Ay?
Ay!
Well, to answer your question, ano yung question parang ano no? How did you get
Journey into
fitness?
fit. Oh,
Yeah,
how did you
but
get into
actually,
fitness?
some time ago din, siguro 2 years ago, siguro sabi kami ni Jen. Hindi, parang nakita ko na lang yung sarili ko and then I was thinking, siguro as we get older, di ba, parang bumabagal na yung metabolism. Talagang hindi na nagko-cooperate sa'yo yung time. Parang hindi na mabilis pumayat, hindi ka lang kakain, papayat ka na. Hindi na ganun. Parang nag-build up na siya. So parang I just started to look into what and set a new standard for health for myself. Kaya gusto ko yung healthy, gusto ko yung
Yeah.
sustainable, guys. Yung sustainable, hindi yung pinipilit natin, di ba? Parang gusto ko baguhin yung mismong lifestyle.
Oo nga naman.
Yeah.
And
Mahirap din
nag-start
yan.
ako sa food, not just to
Mahirap
look
yan.
into food, look into exercise. Siyempre, guys, dapat kung wala kang ginagawa, may expect mo may mangyayari.
Why don't you check out our items at Navigator Sports Facebook page?
Yes,
Diba?
exactly.
Tapos look into
Journey into fitness.
fixing your sleep, also managing your stress, guys. Importante yon. And then yun na. And then slowly and surely wins the race, guys.
Hindi naman
Ano
tayo.
na, dito na tayo ngayon. And like sabi ko kanina, fitness is a journey. So,
It's a journey.
We're
continuous
here.
pa rin.
Navigator Sports, thank you.
Navigator
having
Sports.
Thank you for naman ang fitness journey mo, Gio.
Actually, fitness journey ko nagsimula nung first year college ako eh. Paano kasi probinsyano pa ako nung una eh, napunta ako ng college sa Manila. Sabi sa akin ng kaklase ko kaagad, "Yo bro, do you even lift bro?" Tapos pinaflexan na nila akong ganun. Lahat sila ang batak ang gara nila. Ganun pala ang mga tiga Manila eh, no?
Direct. Totoo ba yun?
Hindi, hindi ko siya kaklase nung college. Ngayon lang bro, after lang, post-grad lang. Pero totoo yun, ang gara nila. Lahat sila batak. Tapos, tara, gym tayo bro. Si mga, hey bro, do you even lift bro? Talagang ganun eh.
Wow, good
Mm.
influence.
Sakto lang, tas yun.
At least naman something good
Payat
came
ko
out
kasi
of it.
dati, tapos ngayon, actually, yeah.
Diba?
That's
So,
my journey into
yeah.
fitness. Safe na safe.
Okay.
So,
next.
ito na actually yung last na pala sa
Last na yan!
loob.
Oh, no!
So, tips for those who want to start their fitness journey.
That's good.
Oh.
That's good.
Ganda ng last question
Alright.
natin
Tips.
Tips for those who want to start your fitness journey. You just have to start. That's all you need to do. Sunod-sunod na yun actually. You just have to get yourself motivated, just even a little bit, and just start. And that's where it goes, you know?
Wow.
That's where the journey starts nga.
Lalo
Start
na.
nga.
Mahirap na
Start talaga.
wala.
Start.
Pero kung nandun ka na,
Pero
wala,
seryoso.
tuloy-tuloy na.
Yeah, actually,
Tuloy-tuloy na
I
yan,
can
tuloy-tuloy na
relate.
yan.
Kasi at first din, medyo at first mahirap talaga mag-start. But you know,
Yeah, that's
when
the hardest part, starting
Actually,
it.
but when you start and you continue,
You get used to it na.
You get used to it and then actually thank you for that, Gio. Intro yan sa tip ko naman for beginners out there. If you want to start your weight loss journey, just have fun with it.
Yeah.
Right? Kasi
Pump up your music.
Oo.
Just go
diba,
all
put
out.
on your favorite music, start slow, start with a bit of easy exercises, do stretching muna, just get a feel of it muna. Kasi if you force it, tapos it's gonna feel like a chore lang, it's not gonna be fun.
Yeah, you
Parang
need
you're not gonna be that into it.
Yeah.
So ako, what I did, I just had fun with it. Parang lang ako naglalaro. So, that's what... Hello, yeah. I'm here now. Yeah, so actually, yeah, if you guys see my before and after, yeah, papakita yan here. So,
Tama.
yeah, you'll understand where I'm coming from. So, how about you, Diane? Tips for our...
Back to you, Dan. What's the next tip?
Yes. Thank you for asking.
Thank you for asking.
No, actually, I agree with both of that. But also, siguro to add to that, just change your mindset. Your health should be about you. Don't compare yourself to others. Just, diba, pump
Alright.
yourself up. It's your own fitness journey.
Yes, hype yourself
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
You're your number one supporter.
Yeah, just change your mindset. This is about health. This is about fitness. It's not just about looking good. But looking good, comes when
It just
you
comes
feel
with the first-
good.
oh.
Yes, exactly,
Diba?
exactly.
So yun, yan talaga guys. So,
Mapapatingin ka talaga sa salamin,
nasa
kahit hindi ka pa nga-
fitness journey mo, we just want to encourage you to just start it now.
Yeah.
Just start it na.
Just go start.
Diba, manood kayo ng videos namin.
Links in the description.
Mapop kayo.
Links in the
Mag-exercise
description.
na nga ako. ganun.
Navigator Sports Facebook page, all the equipment, all the time.
Okay,
Wala
guys.
na, last question
Yeah, that was
Last
the last
question na nga.
question. So again,
guys.
guys, thank you for joining us on this special episode. I hope you guys enjoyed getting to know us as much as we enjoyed doing this for you guys. It's been so much fun, Gabe. Did you guys have fun? Did you guys have fun?
Oh naman.
Okay, you guys.
Not as fun as what we're going to do next though. Bahala
Yeah,
na.
guys. Again, catch us on our next and on our first episode, guys, dropping tomorrow, August 10, 7 p.m.
7 p.m.,
Monday.
7 a.m.,
Set the
whatever
date,
time.
Set your YouTube.
Dito pa, 7 a.m.
But come on, guys.
Guys, like, comment.
Yeah, guys. If you enjoyed the episode, go like, share, subscribe this to this channel and the video, and hit that notification bell below to get notifications on the next episode of Navigator Sports, the better fitness choice.
Guys, follow us on our Facebook page at Navigator Sports. Follow us on Instagram as well, at Navigator Sports _. We're going to link all of those below
Yes.
for your convenience. Guys, it's been so much fun. Also, follow us on Instagram so you
Yes,
get
please.
updates as well on our fitness journeys, on our updates on Navigator Sports. If we have promos, we're gonna put it on there. Guys, it's
Yeah.
been so much
Alright.
fun. Again, watch out for our first episode ever tomorrow.
See you guys. Goodbye.
See you guys here at Navigator Sports. The
Navigator
better
Sports.
fitness choice.
Fitness choice.